Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice your form as though you are presiding over a wedding, uh, officiating a wedding, as though you were here to honor, introduce, I don't know, reconnect, unify uh, these two things. And of course, the two things here are bride and groom, are yin and yang. Now, it may not be forever, and it may not be that they lose themselves when they intermingle, right? They don't necessarily become a new thing, although perhaps a new thing is created. They maintain their own reality. They can continue to express themselves for what they are. So it may not be perfectly analogous to a wedding, and you might also find, hey, it's actually quite analogous to my understanding of a wedding between two souls, and that's great. But have your whole practice as if you are officiating, right? You are commemorating, memorializing, legitimizing this union. And of course, we know quite a bit about the Tai Chi Chu and the union of the two, and how one becomes the other, and how they're mutually rising, and how they are not oppositional. So lots to think about, but it, it might change how you practice your form to feel like you have this official role where you're kind of overseeing these energies rather than kind of being with them. So thank you very much. Appreciate you. And please, please, please support any way you can. There are lots of free ways to do it, like, subscribe, comment, share, bring a friend to class, take a private lesson, attend one of the workshops, sign up for the newsletter, and certainly money, money, money. So thank you very much. Practice, love, and then back to practice.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.